A three-phase four-wire system is commonly used on secondary distribution. There is a greater possibility of occurrence of corona during humid weather. Which of the following is not a constituent for making porcelain insulator silica? Which of the following materials is used for overhead transmission lines? Steel cord, aluminum, galvanized steel, cadmium, copper, any of the above. The power transmitted will be maximum when corona losses are minimum. A feeder in a transmission system feeds power to distributors. The presence of ozone due to corona is harmful because it corrodes the material. For an overheaded line, the surge impedance is taken as so to 200 ohm. Which of the following is usually not the generating voltage 8.8 kV as compared to two-wire DC distributor. A three-wire distributor with same maximum voltage to earth uses only 31.25% copper. A uniformly loaded DC distributor is fed at both ends with equal voltage as compared to a similar distributor fed at one end only. The drop at the middle point is one-fourth. Transmitted power remaining the same if supply voltage of a DC two-wire feeder is increased, so percent saving in copper is 50%. Large industrial consumers are supplied electrical energy at 11 kV. The spacing between phase conductors of a 220 kV line is approximately equal to 6 meters. The minimum clearance between the ground and a 220 kV line is about 7.0 meters. The material commonly used for sheath of underground cable is lead. The material generally used for armor of high voltage cable is steel. In transmission lines, the cross arms are made of steel. Overhead lines generally use ACSR conductor. The power factor of industrial load is generally lagging. The load on distributed systems are generally unbalanced. The material commonly used for insulation in high voltage cable is paper. Multi-core cable generally use sector-shaped conductor. High voltage transmission line use suspension insulator. The distributor for residential areas are three-phase four-wire. Most of the high transmission lines in Pakistan are overhead. The voltage of the single-phase supply to residential consumer is 230 volt. Beside a method of a trial and error, which of the following methods is employed for solution of network problems in interconnected system? Circulating current method, Thevenin theorem, superposition of current, direction application of Kirchhoff laws, all of the above. A booster is a series wound generator. Which of the following DC distribution system is the simplest and lowest in first cost radial system? Which of the following method is used for laying of underground cable? Direct laying, draw-in system, solid system, all of the above. The operating voltage of extra high tension cable is up to 66 kV. The operating voltage of super tension cable is up to 33 kV. The operating voltage of high voltage cable is up to 11 kV. High voltage 11 kV, super tension 33 kV, extra high tension cable is 66 kV. Which of the following is the demerit of a constant voltage transmission system? Increase of short circuit current of the system. The square root of the ratio of line impedance and shunt impedance is called the surge impedance of the line. The phenomenon QF rise in voltage at the receiving end of the open circuited or lightly loaded line is called the Ferranti effect. A 310 kilometer line is considered as a long line. Which of the following are the constants of the transmission lines? Resistance, inductance, capacitance, all of the above. The corona is considerably affected by which of the following? Size of the conductor, shape of the conductor, surface condition of the conductor, all of the above. The usual spans with RCC poles are 80 to 100 meters. Galvanized steel wire is generally used as a stay wire, earth wire, structural component, all of the above. Which of the following material is not used for transmission and distribution of electrical power? Tungsten. The wooden poles well impregnated with creosote oil or any preservative compound have life 25 to 30 years. A variable part of annual cost on account of interest and depreciation and the capital outlay is equal to the annual cost of electrical energy wasted in the conductors. The total annual cost will be minimum and the corresponding size of conductor will be most economical. This statement is known as Calvin's law. Overhead system can be designed for operation up to 400 kV. The underground system cannot be operated above 66 kV. Service mains are the conductors which connect the consumer terminals to the distribution. By which of the following system electric power may be transmitted? Overhead system, underground system. When a live conductor of public electric supply breakdowns and touch the earth, which of the following will happen? Current will flow to earth. The skin effect of a conductor will reduce as the resistivity of the conductor material increase. The following system is not generally used: one phase 3 wire. When a conductor carries more current on the surface as compared to core, it is due to skin effect. The voltage regulation in magnetic amplifier type voltage regulation is affected by varying the reactance. Series capacitors on transmission lines are of little use when the load VAR volts ampere reactive requirement is small. Electromechanical voltage regulators are generally used in generator. The angular displacement between two interconnected stations is mainly due to armature reactance of both alternators. When an alternator connected to the bus bar is shut down, the bus bar voltage will remain unchanged. The frequency of voltage generated in case of generator can be increased by adjusting the governor. When the interconnector between two stations has large reactance, the station will fall out of step because of large angular displacement between the stations. In the analysis of which of the following lines shunt capacitance is neglected: short transmission lines. For transmission of power over a distance of 0.6 km, the transmission voltage should be in the range 150 to 220 kV. The effect of corona can be detected by presence of ozone detected by odor, hissing sound, faint luminous glow of bluish color, all of the above. On which of the following factors skin effect depends: frequency of current, size of the conductor, resistivity of the conductor material, all of the above. Constant voltage transmissions entails the following disadvantage: short circuit current of the system is increased. In a tap changing transformer, the tapping are provided on high voltage winding. Which of the following equipment for regulating the voltage in distribution feeder will be most economical? Booster transformer. For aluminium as compared to copper, all the following factors have higher values except electrical conductivity. For transmission of power over a distance of those kilometers, the transmission voltage should be 132 kV. Aluminum has a specific gravity of 2.7. Insulating materials have the function of preventing an open circuit between the voltage source and the load. Resistors are non-linear resistors. Which one of the following does not have negative temperature coefficient? Aluminum. A resistance having rating 10 ohms or 10 watt is likely to be a wire-wound resistor. All of the following are equivalent to watt except amperes per volt. For which of the following ampere second could be the unit charge? Which is the base conductor of electricity? Silver. Ohm's law is not applicable to vacuum tubes. Which of the following material has a negative temperature coefficient of resistance? Carbon. Which of the following statement is true both for a series and a parallel DC circuit? Power are additive. Two resistors are said to be connected in series when same current passes in turn through both. You have to replace 1500 coulomb resistor in radio. You have no 1500 coulomb resistor but have several 1000 coulomb ones which you connect two in parallel and one in series. Which of the following material has nearly zero temperature coefficient of resistance? Manganese. Current velocity through a copper conductor is of the order of a few S by A. A current of 16 amperes divides between two branches in parallel of resistance 8 ohms and 12 ohms respectively. The current in each branch is 6.4 ampere and 9.6 ampere. Four wires of same material, the same cross-sectional area and the same length when connected in parallel give a resistance of 25 coulomb. If the same four wires are connected in series, the effective resistance will be 4 ohm. The resistance of a parallel circuit consisting of two branches is 12 ohm. If the resistance of one branch is 18 ohm, what is the resistance of the other? 36 coulomb. A light bulb draws 300 mA when the voltage across it is 40 volt. The resistance of the light bulb is 800 coulomb. In a circuit, a 33 coulomb resistor carries a current of 2 ampere. The voltage across the resistor is 66 volt. An instrument which detects electric current is known as a galvanometer. The resistance of a copper wire 200 meter long is 21 coulomb if its thickness diameter is 0.04 mm. Its specific resistance is around 1.6 × 10⁸ coulomb meter. With rise in temperature, the resistance of semiconductor decreases. With rise in temperature, the resistance of poor metals increases. The resistance of a conductor varies inversely as area of cross section. Conductance is reciprocal of resistance. The property of a conductor due to which it passes current is called conductance. Out of the following, which is an insulating material? Paper. Out of the following, which is not a poor conductor? Copper. The substances which have a large number of free electrons and offer a low resistance are called conductors. Electric pressure is also called voltage. Which of the following quantities consist of SI unit as watt? Power. Which of the following has no units? Magnetic susceptibility. Which quantity consists of unit 1 kilowatt hour energy? Which quantity should be measured by the voltmeter? Voltage. Internal resistance of ideal current source is infinite. Internal resistance of ideal voltage source is 0. Capacitor does not allow the sudden change of Voltage. Inductor does not allow the sudden change of current. Power dissipation in ideal inductor is zero. Which of the following are the passive element? Resistor and bulb both. If 1 ampere current flows in a circuit, the number of electrons flowing through the circuit is 0.625 × 10⁻19. The resistivity of the conductor depends on type of material. The resistance of a conductor of diameter d and length L is R ohm. If the diameter of the conductor is halved and its length is doubled, the resistance will be at R ohm. How many coulombs of charge flow through a circuit carrying a current of 10 ampere in 1 minute? 600 ampere. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Instantaneous power in inductor is proportional to the product of the instantaneous current and rate of change of current. The voltage induced in an inductor is represented as product of its inductance and rate of change of current through it. Magnetic flux has the unit of Weber. Which of the following is an active element? Voltage source and current source both are active elements.